Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to farm hourglasses in Mystic Messenger. To begin, focus on understanding the game's fundamental mechanics for acquiring this essential currency. Your primary goal is to engage with every available chat room, as this is where the majority of your initial hearts and potential hourglasses will come from. We will also cover how to convert those collected hearts into hourglasses, a crucial step for progression. Maximizing your chatroom participation is key. Aim to join every single chatroom that appears throughout the day, as each one offers opportunities to collect hearts. Choosing the correct dialogue options during conversations will significantly increase the number of hearts you receive from each character. To ensure you do not miss any, consider setting alarms for new chatroom notifications, especially during peak times. Once you have accumulated a substantial number of hearts, it is time to convert them. The standard exchange rate is 100 hearts for 1 hourglass, so save up. Another excellent method involves inviting guests to your parties. Successfully inviting guests and achieving high attendance will grant you significant hourglass bonuses, making party planning a very rewarding strategy for consistent gains. For more advanced farming, strategically use the save and load feature. This allows you to replay chatrooms where you know you can earn many hearts, optimizing your collection. Additionally, playing through different story modes, such as the original story or another story, can provide substantial initial hourglass bonuses. Prioritize routes that offer more frequent chatroom opportunities for continuous farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.